Good afternoon, everyone. So today I am discussing about very important circular that has been issued by the Central Board of Secondary Education or CBSE regarding the strict compliances with the attendance requirement as CBSE examination, because uh, we have seen that many times the students attendance, because the schools, especially the schools, they are compromised for the student attendance, which is not actually good for the CBSE and CBSE circular. So as far the CBSE circular has been concerned, you can see that this circular has been circulated on ninth of October regarding the attendance requirement for the board examination and pre-board examination, whatever. In the light of this, school must adhere strictly rules 13 and 14 of the CBSE examination bylaws, because most of the schools, not all the schools, few schools are there, they are not adhering or following the minimum criteria of 75% attendance. So as per CBSE, 75% attendance is mandatory to eligible to appear for the board examination, and board offers also 25% relaxation in the case of any say suppose medical emergencies are there, participation in national and international sports events and serious reasons are there, and provided the necessary documents. So what CBSE has instructed that inform the students and parents, all students and parents must be aware of the mandatory 75% attendance requirement and the potential consequences of not meeting it. So any students, if on leave due to medical emergency, need to apply for the leave to the school with proper medical prescription and certificate. So it should reminding the schools that if the students are taking the leave on the ground of the medical emergency, so proper medical prescription and certificate should be taken from the parents end. Leave without a written request will be considered unauthorized absence from the schools. Next is number 2, the leave application procedures. A leave application along with valid medical document on immediate availing the leave. If it is observed at the time of the sudden inspection of the school by the CBSE that the students are absent without proper leave records, it will be presumed that they are not attending the school regularly. So the schools and the principal, they or the class teacher, they are taking the leave records regularly and attendance monitoring. That we most of the schools, and not only that, most of the school, all the schools, they are doing religiously. There is parental communication. The school should notify the parents in writing, stressing the importance of regular attendance and informing that the failure to comply may result in the students being disqualified from the appearing of the board examination. Then number 5, that is inspection by the CBSE. The board has conducted surprise inspection. So the school should take care about this matter, because there can be a surprise visit or inspection regarding the attendance records. They will check the attendance record and the students may disqualified from the appearing of the board examination if you are not doing those things according to the CBSE circular, according the CBSE has directed. So the school may be in very deep trouble, and as well as the students also. So please note that the no changes in the attendance register will be permitted, and attached to this letter SOP has been given. What are the SOP has been given? See the SOP, very important standard operation procedure. Number 1, inform the importance of the attendance of the students and their parents in the beginning of the session. Sensitize the students and parents about the relevant rules and the attendance requirement during the academic session. Inform the students and the parents on the grounds on which the shortage of attendance could be condoned. That means whenever the students are taking the leave, so students must be informed that yes, you are not at par, or you are not going at par with the CBSE minimum attendance criteria. Inform the students and parents, submit the medical certificate from the competent authority and leave application. Warn the students and the parents if they are not attending the classes regularly. Inform the parents about the shortage of attendance. Schools will be recommend the case as per the examination bylaws only. Attendance will be calculated as of 1st January of the session. Shortage of attendance cases received in the concerned regional office up to 7th January on the academic session. No case will be accepted after 7th January on the academic session of class 10 and 12. So very important about this. And mandatory document required, that prolonged illness, if there will be prolonged illness, that is medical certificate should be given, all medical reports, that is X-ray and other things, that will be given, and recommendation of the school in the pro forma attached. Here the pro forma has been given. Loss of the father or mother, so such request from the parents, death certificate should be issued, and recommendation. So recommendation from the school to the CBSE is mandatory. And any other reason, similar reason, request certificate should be issued supporting the nature of the reason and the recommendation of the school concerned about the pro forma. Authorization participation of the sports or national level organization, so that also certificate and recommendation should be provided. Any sports national level recommendation letter from the Sports Authority of India, and also a recommendation from the school, and action to be taken as per SOP. When the activity will start, due at the time of the rule 14(1) will be applicable, that is for 10th and 12th 1st January of the academic session. Schools to compile all such shortage of attendance cases and to be sent to the concerned RO office within the 7 days of the activity of the 7th January of the academic session. The regional office will also be communicate deficiency. Within 15 days they will communicate with us, and school will communicate all those things. So that is the pro forma of the this will be a pro forma from the point of the view of the schools, that will be sent with the recommendation from the school, name of the candidates and other things, and the principal name, affiliation number. So everything has been given out there. So very important circular this is, during the time before the at the time of the LOC and other things. This circular is very important. So go through the circular, already that is in CBSE website. Go through the circular. Just I have discussed about the circular. Thank you everyone. I will be coming back to another video. Thank you.